How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add favorite contacts to your iPhone for easy dialing. So, for example, if you want to call a friend and you know his number, which we usually don't anymore, we usually just go to our contacts. We can go to our call app right here. Mine is right here, but you can always just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and type in phone. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that. Okay, now down here we have our menu. If you're going to call your friend and you know his or her number, just click here and you can start dialing, right? Like so. Something like that. Okay, but usually we go to our contacts. So for this example, I'm going to hit here where it says contacts, and on the search bar right here, okay, let's type in someone that we know. Okay, so here's Jimmy. Okay, so we found Jimmy. We click here and there's his number, so I can either call home or mobile. Okay, but what if I call him on a regular basis? I don't want to go through that hassle of searching for him. So there's this option right here on the left. It's called favorites. If I click on that, you can see that I already have 3 favorites. These are people that I usually call. But let's say that Jimmy's not on this list and I want to add him. I'm gonna head back to contacts. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down and I can hit right here where it says add to favorites. Okay, I'm gonna click that and it gives me the option of what kind of connection from him I want to add. So if I want to add his phone number, because I call him on a regular basis on the phone, I just select here. And here are the 2 numbers that I have registered from him. So I usually call him on my mobile. So I'm going to select this one. And voila. Let's go check if it was added. Right here on the favorites. And there he is. There's Jimmy. So we can also edit this list if we want. If we want to remove one of these contacts, just hit edit right here, and I'm going to delete Jimmy. Delete, and Jimmy's gone. Okay, I'm going to hit done, and we're good. Now we can also add another favorite right here. Click on the plus sign. Okay, let's find Jimmy again, and here he is. Okay, I'm gonna hit the same one, call, and there's his mobile, and there he is again. Now this list I can modify it in priorities. So if I hit edit again, as you can see, there's 3 lines on the right. If I press and hold any of them, I can move my contacts and switch them around in the order that I want. So let's say I want to move Jimmy all the way to the top. I'm gonna press and hold here. As you see, it sort of pops up. Just start moving it all the way to the top and let go. And then I just hit done. And there it is. So I'm just gonna swipe, I'm gonna go back to my main screen, okay? And as you can see, I have my phone app right here. I'm gonna click on that, and right there's my favorites. I can select from the keypad or contacts, but again, if I want to quickly call Jimmy, I just go to my favorites, and there he is. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next episode with great tips.